Hello everyone, welcome back to my blog, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me again, Espinay Vlog. For today's vlog, we're having Popeye chicken for dinner tonight. Popeye chicken for dinner tonight. So we have 3 biscuit. This is good for 2 people. 5-piece chicken. This is for our dinner, me, my husband and I. So 5-piece chicken from Louisiana Kitchen. Popeye chicken. Popeyes chicken from Louisiana with love. So let's eat, everyone. Enjoying. God bless you all. And this is for our late dinner for tonight. And we have two size mashed potato with gravy, red beans and rice, and we have strawberry jam, and we have honey Popeye's wild honey mustard for dipping sauce. That's it. Enjoy, everyone. God bless you all. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, you haven't liked, share, and subscribe, please don't forget to pull the notification bell, hit all for more updated for the next vlog. So please like and share and subscribe, and don't forget to pull the notification bell and for more video for you guys to watch for the next vlog. So mega love shout out to all the viewers, subscribers. Hello everyone. Hello. Shout out to you all, and vibes only. Love you guys. Take care and God bless you all, and have a good evening to you all. Enjoy the rest of your night. Thank you very much. So this is dinner here in Maryland, USA. Is good evening everyone, and good morning in PI Philippines. Afternoon, good afternoon somewhere in UK, wherever you are in the whole world, sa man tayo naroroon ng sulok na mundo. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Mabuhay tayong lahat at enjoy life. So, that's it for this vlog this time. And so long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. Enjoy, and thank you for watching. See you again soon, and God bless you all. My cat, she's sticking her head because she loves chicken Popeye. She wants chicken. You want chicken? You watching the chicken? Do you love chicken, don't you? You're a Popeye chicken lover? Yes, you are. Popeye chicken lover. Say hi to the viewers. Say hi, I'm ready for my nap time. Nap, nap, nap. I'm Sasha, waiting for my chicken Popeyes. I love chicken Popeyes. You want a piece of chicken? Yes, you are. Okay, I'll give you a piece of chicken. Sasha is patiently waiting for her piece of chicken. Say hi to the camera, Sasha. Say goodbye. Have a good evening and enjoy. Thank you for watching, everyone. So long, and see you again soon for the next vlog. God bless. I know you want that. I will give you some. Don't you worry. I love you. I love my cat, so I will share my chicken Popeye with my cat. Thank you, everyone, and God bless you all. So long, and happy holidays to you all. Popeye chicken with love. Thank you, and God bless you all.